like playing tricks? Can't live without pranks? We know how to amaze you! Prank your friend using amazing sunglasses. Trace the frame on blue paper. Cut out 2 lens details. Make 2 white circles. Choose the size to fit the lens. Draw eyes. Attach them to the paper lenses with double-sided tape. Attach the fake lenses to the real ones with the same tape. Wait until she falls asleep and attach these lovely eyes. It's time for a selfie. She'll definitely appreciate the photos, and it'll be great fun to watch her wake. She smiled. It's actually quite convenient to sleep during a sunny day with these awesome sunglasses on. Is your friend afraid of an infection? Does she prefer hand sanitizer to soap? Use her habit for your next prank. Pour hand soap of the similar color in the hand sanitizer bottle. Put on the top. Give it to your friend and watch the fake sanitizer turn into foam. She'll have to wash her hands this time, but look out, she'll want payback. It's time for food pranks. We've got mustard and peanut butter on today's menu. Replace them. Squeeze mustard into one bowl. Transfer peanut butter into the other. They look very much alike. Clean the mustard bottle. Leave some peanut butter in the jar to disguise the mustard scent. Put the bitter stuff in. Mix it with the butter. Transfer the butter into the mustard bottle. Melt the butter to let it pour through the bottle nozzle and look more like mustard. Put it in the microwave for 10 seconds or in hot water. Close the containers. The bitter peanut butter will go well for lunch. My friend likes it for her snack. Watch her immediate reaction. But now, look out and try to escape your own prank. You'll never know what's inside your sandwich. You'd like to get something hot, but instead of spicy sauce, there's sweet peanut butter in the bottle. It's a tie! A funny picnic we've had. I just can't refuse chocolate cake. Melt the chocolate in a bowl with hot water. Dip a sponge in the melted chocolate. Repeat for the other. Pour the chocolate remains on top. Take Chewy candies for decoration. Place a few sweet hearts on top of the chocolate cake. Bon appetit! The real chocolate confuses her at first, but she's on guard. I wish you tasted my special dessert. Don't repeat my mistake. Cover all sides of the sponge. We've invented another application of a binder clip. Let's entertain your friends. Take a binder clip and a plastic pocket. Pour in a little water into the corner. Rotate the edge of the pocket to close it. Put on the clip to hide the pocket with water. Snip off the excess. Your friend's going to fasten her papers. Give her the binder clip. Where is this water from? Is there something wrong with the paper? Aha! It's another prank. It's tea time! Provide a special cake. Sprinkle a sweet cake with flour instead of powdered sugar. Treat your friend with the dessert. She bites a piece but doesn't taste sweet. Is this cake undercooked? I can feel the taste of flour. I'm going to make a little fountain for my friend. We'll need to attach a syringe to the bottom of a drawer. So we'll need a syringe without a needle, scissors, water, and tape. Suck water into the syringe. Tape it to the bottom of the drawer. As you close the drawer, the plunger is pushed aside and the syringe squirts water. Your friend sees an open drawer and slides it to close. The syringe works and a thin water jet squirts on her leg. Where is it from? Aha! Here it is. The prank source is revealed. Give your friend your special jacket for a photo shoot. Take a denim jacket. Sew down 2 pieces of green fur to the armpit areas. Your friend puts on the jacket, unaware of the hairy armpits. Ask her to pose. Let her feel like a real model. The portfolio is ready. What's this? Fur armpits. I thought it's the 70s trend. Is your friend going to take a selfie? It's a great opportunity to play a trick on her. Help her make a cool hairstyle. Take funny emoji sticks. Choose a crown and something else. Stick the embellishments into her hair. Oh, what's this on my head? I shouldn't have trusted her with my hairstyle. On the other hand, I think no one will have such an awesome selfie. Did your friend leave her makeup on the table? It's evidently been her mistake. Let's have some fun. Cut double-sided tape into small pieces. Attach one side to the bottom of the makeup and the other to the tabletop. My friend's coming back. What the heck? Why is everything stuck to the table? On the other hand, nothing will fall, even if there's an earthquake. It's time for a clothes prank. I'm going to replace her socks. One sock will appear too small. Let's sew down one sock so that she can't wear it. Begin on the wrong side to tie off and hide the knot. Make big stitches across the striped borderline to make the seam invisible. Just look. If you don't know what to seek, you'll never notice it. Easy, but quite effective. The stitch will stop the foot from going further. Don't miss the moment when she pulls the socks on. I'll take care of her sneakers too. Put in big cotton balls. They look like nothing's changed. Wait until she encounters the problem. I wouldn't like to be close by when she tries to put them on. Now it's my turn. Use her favorite Frutella prank. Make fake Chewy candies. Take a spoon of salt. Add 2 spoons of flour. Pour in a little water and mix well. You can add some more water. Knead a firm dough. Shape a ball. Make a thin roll. Divide it into 3 parts. Add red coloring to 1 part. Knead well to blend the color smooth. Color each part with the individual color. Form a bar using a ruler. Separate it into several parts. Transform each part into a flat cube looking like a Frutella candy. We've got a multicolor set. Remove candies from the Frutella stick. Unwrap them. We'll need the wrappers. Replace the real candies with the fake ones. Wrap each one carefully. Done! Put them in the package. Fasten it with double-sided tape. Treat your friend with her favorite Frutella. She opens the pack without smelling a rat. The candy looks exactly like the real one, but when she tastes it, it becomes clear. No one likes to get a salty candy instead of a sweet one. Do you need adhesive tape to repair your paper craft? I've got a special one. Unwind the tape. Apply clear nail polish onto the adhesive side. Leave the end uncovered. Wind the tape. What the heck? The tape doesn't attach to paper, but it sticks to my hands instead. Time to solve a riddle. What is ball-shaped, yellow, and sweet? Is it an orange? No, it's our sweet tennis ball. We'll need yellow sugar paste. Sprinkle a wooden board with confectioner's sugar or starch. Roll out a round shape. Add a filling. It's a peeled orange. Wrap it in the paste. Tear off the excess and smooth the paste. Make a notch with a brush handle to imitate a tennis ball pattern. Roll a piece of white sugar paste. Apply some water on the notch. Attach the white detail. My friend didn't expect I adored tennis so much that I'm going to eat a tennis ball. Don't worry, darling. There's a special orange ball inside. Does it take too long for your friend to get dressed? It's time to prank her with her pants. Turn a pant leg wrong side out. Attach double-sided tape. Turn it right side out. Carefully peel off the protective coat. Press over to attach the fabric to the tape. Your friend gets dressed. What's wrong? She tries to put on her pants, but can't push her leg in. She'll have to wear something else. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, give your thumbs up, and hit the bell to learn fresh prank ideas before your friends do.